Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove edge panel in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. If you swipe on the right side near volume buttons, swipe like this, there will be some panel that will be appearing. If you would like to remove this panel, if you don't want this, then yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here and then go to display, then go to edge panels, and here edge panels already activated, it is turned on. What you have to do is turn off this button so that while swiping near the volume buttons from right side to left, this edge panel will not appear. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove edge panel in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.